Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Aloe vera plant. This one fall down, so I'm gonna cut about two, one for my friend and one for me. But you have to let it drain off because the first fluid that drains off is very smelly. It smells really bad. I usually use a bigger knife. I don't know why I took up this little small knife. This is one. Ouch. I'm gonna cut this one. So I'm gonna let them drain off here on the newspaper. Then I take them into the house and wash it off. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is cut off the spikes at the end. So let me cut off here first, this edge here. So I don't need this. Cut off the edges now. So what some people do is cut it down the middle and then they would use a spoon and scoop it out, but I'm just gonna peel it. And this is good for your smoothies too. You can put some in your smoothie, or just blend some in your juice, like your pineapple juice or your orange juice. Because I'm gonna strain it, I don't have to get off all the little, there's some little faint green pieces on it that can stay for now. a cup. Peel the rest of it. I have so many suckers, so what I'm gonna do with the little baby ones is just transplant them, so I'll have a lot of, maybe I can go into the aloe business, I'm not sure, but quite a bit of suckers just coming from about 3 little tiny suckers I got at home in the country. See how it looks. So there's a little gel left on the, so if you want you could use a spoon or use a knife and just scrape it off. But I have so much, it's not really necessary. I have much more than I need. Okay, this is the end piece now. The light is a bit dull because my battery is going, but I can't stop the video right now. So if you're not comfortable using a knife, it's better to use a spoon and scrape out the gel. Let me show you how to do that. So this has some gel on it. So just scrape it out with a spoon. With these two, you want to take everything off. See, there's some good amount of gel on there. Okay, so here we have the gel now, so I'm gonna blend it. So I'm gonna strain it. The reason I'm straining it is because you don't want to have pieces of the aloe vera in your hair. Some people put it in their hair and they keep picking out pieces of the plant. When you strain it, you don't have that issue. I'm just gonna let it drain out. I'm not gonna try and force the aloe vera through the sieve because I don't want the pieces of it. Some didn't get blended out so well, but I don't want the pieces of it going into my hair. Okay, I'm gonna pour this into a plastic container just so that it's easier to handle.